Our superior overhaul services really lies within our team. Each step that part goes through on their work order has a dedicated team member behind that step that's helping pushing that along so we can keep it moving quickly without any interruptions. When we receive a part for overhaul, it goes through various stages. No matter what that part is, it goes through the same flow, whether it's a complex landing gear or a simple fuel valve. So when it hits the door, it goes to receiving. From receiving, it's going to head out to the floor to the technicians who are going to take it apart, disassemble it, clean it, inspect it. From there, it's going to stop in our quality department. They're going to look over the report, agree or disagree with that technician's write-up. From there, it's going to head up to customer service. They're going to reach out and quote the customer. Once we receive quoting approval for that, it's going to pass to our parts department. They're going to get the kit available, the O-rings, the nuts, bolts, hardware. Then it'll flow back out to the technician for final assembly, testing, and sign off, and then back to the customer.